Interesting aspect of eBPF is what we call connect time load balancer. Right? In what I've been talking about so far, and in IP tables, you essentially get a packet, you look up what the translation should be, you rewrite a packet. That makes connection tracking complex. You have to modify the packet, you have to recalculate the checksums, whatnot. That's not negligible per packet overhead. Well, what if we can hook into the connect call, right? You essentially say, you want to connect to this service, hold on. No, there's this backend pod, and let's go straight to that backend pod, right? So with that, you have no per packet overhead. That's a great win. And that's the good thing about connect time load balancer. Oh, no, that's the bad, bad part is, for instance, UDP may get stuck. Imagine that you have a UDP application that asks your DNS server, it connects to the service, right? You can make a connect call on UDP, so all the packets are being sent to that one particular backend. And then the backend dies. And it keeps sending it there, right? So that's a problem.